Okay, guys. I went and found probably the latest ISO that I could find for this because I don't know. There's I've seen screenshots all over some places, certain social media channels that's like, oh, look, here's this one 8.2 and this, that, and the other. And I haven't quite found it, and it's not on the website, but on the SourceForge is Ultimate Edition 7.1. Now, Ultimate Edition, of course, had a few different variants to it. So, we're gonna, as you can see, just give it a second for it to load, because, again, Ultimate Edition was kind of that flashy one that really got me deep into it, so it had a lot of interesting aesthetic to it. Like someone never grew up over the years. Where did our screen go to? I don't know where the screen went to. You saw the screen, but it'll take a second and wait to see if it comes back. I think this is it. Black screen is usually... Yeah, see, look, there's the cursor. Can get rid of that. And it's loading Plasma, of course. Do we have more themes than what we had previously with the Arch one, though? That's the real question. Come on, buddy. Come on, Plasma. Get the feeling that it's another red themed aesthetic, which has been kind of nice, but come on, buddy. Oh, buddy. Whoa.
Imperious leader.
Okay, we're in. We got it. Okay, so this one is a bit different, it looks like, than the last one. I think it might be using GNOME. Seemed to be KDE Plasma, but I could be wrong. But I'm pretty sure it's a weird configured Plasma, ultimately. Let's get our display and monitor. Let's go to, our top end is 960. Somewhat. Apply. What are you doing? The heck? Log out. Log out. And then hope that it resizes, because this is going to be really weird if it doesn't resize. So it'll automatically log back in for Plasma X11. That's might be why it's being weird. I like the animated background. Not gonna lie. That's pretty cool. Login failed. What's the default password? Give me a second. Okay, we're just gonna roll with it at this resolution. We can't see everything that's going on, but that's okay. This one does come packaged with games this time, but let's see, we've got a few development tools, not as many as otherwise on Arch. Now, we do have things split up into different categories, but we do have Lutris pre-installed, it looks like, which is cool. Got K-Mines, so a bunch of the KDE games, K-Sudoku, I'll Write, K-Patience, and then K-Mahjong. Also got our favorite image editors, Krita and GIMP, along with Color Paint, which I used heavily early on because it was very MS Paint-like. Then we've got, of course, Firefox and Chrome. I want to remove the Chrome, put in Chromium. Because let's open up Chrome. Yeah, looks like it defaults to Firefox in here. For some reason, Chrome is in the hotbar. Let's see, that's Discover, that's Kaha for our file browsing. We don't really have many options for desktops, but no. Okay, so yeah, it is proper Chrome. Bleh. Get out of here. This is why we used it in a VM. Okay, multimedia, Cheese, Clementine, DVD stuff, Elisa, for your music playing needs, tag editors and everything. A slideshow, disk burning, Kdenlive, Kino. Few video editors. I like that. This feels more like what I was used to with it. It's got a couple different options for your video editors. LibreOffice, a standard office software. Let's see, Midnight Commander. Very nice. Don't seem to have any others that way. Okay, cool. I like the window theme. Let's go into our settings. Go to our system settings. It looks like there might be a few more themes than we had with the Arch version. Because we've got the cool window border going on. Which, why would you want to just... Yes, we do. Here we go. This is what I'm talking about. Okay. So... can we... apply? Okay. Discard. Okay, we're going to go with application styles, Ultimate Edition 6.7. So it's already set on that. Plasma style. Doesn't really have much in the way of plasma directly, it looks like. But it's all pretty flat, which, you know. Krita darker. 2.0 apply. Heh. Let's see. System settings again. Come on, buddy. Don't do this to me. Appearance. Ew. Someone made it. dark. Or light, I mean. Gosh, I can do this. What? Oh, there we go. That's more like it. Plasma style. Window decorations. Let's go here. Okay, so we do have a suite of cool window decorations. Yeah. Seems about right. Let's see. Ah, that's where it came from. Okay. Okay, very nice. Very nice, sir. So we do have a few options on that. Icons. I didn't put too many of the icon themes in because a lot of the releases had different colored icons for stuff depending. So, yeah. Got a fair shot of oxygen stuff, though. Boom. Cool cursors, of course, because that's what we do. So we're going to go with the big one so you can see where my cursor's at. And then we can select a different splash screen if we really want to. Okay. It does include all the wallpapers. Configure desktop. Got that one. See, not bad on the wallpapers. Okay, let's go with that one. Yeah. Yeah, some of the wallpapers get really freaking flashy. So like 4.7. Let's go with that one. 4.9. Let's see, what else did we have? Yeah, see? Very artistic on that one. And yeah, you can see some of them, like, some of the visuals are very, very dated. Some of the wallpapers and all harken back to a much simpler time. So, yeah, that's kind of like the latest one I could find. I've seen other ones, wallpapers, you look on social media, and they've got different ones that way, so I'm not sure where you would download the latest one at, but I just tried to like go to ultimateedition.info and for some reason it was down. And I don't know why. But yeah, boom, penguin. If you enjoyed the video, then like, comment, subscribe, feed the algorithm, boost the video up, share this video with your friends. If you found it informative or you just want to chat, I've got plenty of places in the description, Discord, Guilded, and what have you. Check those out, and I will see you guys in the next one.